How to copy text from image on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first method is open up your Photos application. Now open up the photo. Now tap on the lens icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the text you want to copy. Now select the text and tap on copy. Now another method is go back to your home screen. Open up Google on your device. Now tap on the lens icon at the top right corner. Now give the access to the photos, tap on permissions, select photos and videos and select always allow all. Now go back. Now select the photo. Now select the text and tap on copy. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.